Hey everyone, this is Suraj, and this tutorial is for all you lazy people looking forward to learn Python without much effort. So I'm doing something different here. This won't be like your traditional learning where you just learn a bunch of definitions, functions, properties, and at the end you'll just be confused. This will be something different. And I know just like Jon Snow, you know nothing. Actually, that's not true. Now he does know something. Anyway, so I'm going to show you a bunch of lines and I'm going to show you its respective output, and we both will work it out to see how those lines gave that output. And I found this to be very effective and you can learn it really fast. So let's get started. I'm gonna open. So whatever I don't explain, just know that you will learn it eventually. Okay, open new file. So the first thing we'll learn is our traditional hello world. Okay, hello world. I'm gonna save it saying hello, save, and voila. Alright, forget about all this. Forget about all this. Just this is your only output, and this is the code that you have written. I have it. So, what do you see? What can you make out? Obviously, whatever you've written inside this brackets has appeared without this double quotes. So by this you can judge that print is a statement which would print anything that you write inside it. So this is your first code, and in the next video we'll discuss how to install Python, and later we'll see how to install Sublime Text and run Python in it and all those other stuff. And this is how it's going to be. I'll just show you something, I'll just show you its output, and we both will work it out as to how that code corresponds to that output. So thank you for watching, and if you have any doubts, leave it in the comment section and I'll be sure to reply to it. See you guys next time.